Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make another presentation on the use of chatbot for teaching and learning. So today's presentation is based on a chatbot that I've just developed that can assist learners in high school to improve their knowledge or to improve their learning in various subjects. So in South Africa context is designed for basic education, and it will be very helpful for learners from grade 8 to 12, and is based on different subjects. So yeah, in a few seconds I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. So like what I've explained in my previous video tutorial, is a very simple process. All you need to do is to save my number among your contact list, and my number this time around is 277161114249. If you want to access this platform via WhatsApp, and this platform is available on WhatsApp social media as well. So in other words, you can access this platform via WhatsApp and Telegram. So if you are accessing it, or if you want to access it via WhatsApp, you need to use this number as I've given to you, 277161114249. I'm adding the international code for South Africa, which is 27. So if you want to access this platform via Telegram, you need to utilize the following number: 2772653490. Right. So here you go. The platform, as you can see it on your screen, appears in this form. So these are the histories, what with the mathematical questions that were solved by the chatbot, via the chatbot. These are history. So let me clear off or remove the history, so that we have a clean platform to work on. Right. Okay. Here we go. All you need to do, like I said, you save my number among your contact list. Then through the WhatsApp or Telegram, then you can be able to access the platform just like a normal contact on your device. You search for Dukwali, right? You search for Dukwali Academy, then it will open, then you start navigating the platform. It's very easy, it's user friendly, and it's a very simple process. Right. So having done that, then you have something of this nature. Right. So what you need to do is, don't worry about that. What can this board do? Don't worry about it. Then you can first of all send a message of salutation, right, to the chatbot. You can say hi. Let's see. It's just taking a little while. Yeah. So then the chatbot have responded. Let's see the response of the chatbot. The chatbot say, "Hello, I am Dukwali, your virtual assistant in achieving your academic excellence. Here you could see the logo of two educational departments in South Africa. We've got the logo for higher education and training, which deal with or which has jurisdictions in high schools and not high schools this time around, TVET colleges, vocational institutions, and universities. Then you've got the one for basic education for high school. So why did we decide to utilize the logo for both departments? The reason is that, for example, this application or this platform can be utilized by learners or students at TVET colleges, vocational education, that are doing vocational education. So it can as well be utilized by the learners in high schools from grade 8 to 12. So that one is fall under the jurisdictions, falls under the jurisdiction of Department of Education, Basic Education. The one for TVET falls under the jurisdiction of DHET, Department of Higher Education and Training. That is why you got the logo for the two departments here. Moreover, we're using the logo for the two departments to portray that the curriculum, or rather the materials, the resources that we used in enriching the database for the chatbot is strictly aligned to the curriculum of both departments. Okay. Now, having said that, let's try to navigate the chatbot. So you will see instructions of this nature. Good. Then the chatbot will ask you whether you are an existing user or a new user. Right. For example, if you're an existing user, it's very easy. You just need to click on the existing user, then we take you to another platform. Not necessarily another platform, it will pop up another platform, let's call it platform, whereby you need to type in your user's name and password. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna say that I'm a new user to show you how you could register yourself as a new user. So now let's say I'm a new user. I've clicked the test for new user. Okay, let's see. Now the chatbot have responded. The chatbot is requesting me to register new user. So what I need to do, first of all, I need to create my user's name. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use a demo as a user's name. Demo. Let me see. Let me use my surname here, Douglas. Right. Then what happened? Let's see. Okay, now the chatbot is requesting me to create my password. Let me still use demo Douglas as a password so that I can easily remember it. Mind you, you need to create a password that you can easily remember. Okay, now let's say demo Douglas. Right. Then okay, now the chatbot is requesting for my cell number, my mobile number. Okay, let me register my mobile number as well. 27, right, as I said, 611 27 71 4249. Right. Now the platform, or rather the chatbot, want me to enter the name of my institution, so I can happily say or happily capture that. I type in Duquali Academy. Right. Now, okay. Now the chatbots have captured my username as well as password, my cell phone, and my name of institution. So now the platform, the chatbot is requesting me now to log in. So, and first of all, the chatbot is requesting for my user's name. Remember, my user's name was demo Douglas. Right. Now, okay, my password, say, okay, let's go. Right. Hoot in Afrikaans we say hoot. Hoot means good. Right. Now I've successfully registered my name with the credentials, with the identities that I captured. Now the chatbot is welcoming me as a username. Welcome Demo Douglas. For example, if your name is Philip Jackson or Philip or John James, then the chatbot will say welcome John James. Right. Now see what the chatbot is saying again. It says thanks for choosing Duquali AI as your preferred teaching and learning platform. Kindly select from the list of subjects below. Like I said, the materials that we use in making this chatbot is the materials are well aligned to the curriculum of basic education as well as higher education, specifically TVET colleges curriculum. So now these are the subjects that this platform occupies itself with, or that are within the jurisdiction of the platform. It doesn't mean that we cannot add some other subject, but as far as this demonstration is concerned, these are the subjects that are in the platform. Right. So you have subject like mathematics. Mathematics is very important as far as STEM is concerned, Then you got mathematical literacy. Then you have first English first additional language, FAL. Then you got physical sciences. In South Africa context, call it physical sciences. In other countries, they call it physics. They are all the same thing. It's a matter of what we call nomenclature, names, but they all mean the same. Then you got life sciences. Okay, in South Africa context, we call it here life sciences, but in other countries they call it biology. They are all the same, as I said, nomenclature, use of names. Then you got business studies. Then you got consumer studies. Then you have accounting. Then you got agricultural science. You got religion studies. You got economics. You got geography. You got history. Then you have tourism. So these are subjects that have been offered in high schools and vocational educational institute in South Africa. So now these are the subjects. So when we click on each of these subjects, it will take us to the topics that are being dealt with in the subject. For example, let's click on mathematics. Right. Now, on clicking on mathematics, let's check out the response from the chatbot. The chatbot is saying, please select a topic from the following list. So these are the topics that are being covered in relation to that subject, mathematics, as far as the curriculum for basic education and the TVET or vocational education is concerned in South African context, or in this, Then he said, this chatbot is saying, kindly find below the list of topics that the Quali AI can assist you with. So these are the topics, right? You've got functions, finance, growth and decay, algebra, differential calculus, probability, Euclidean geography and measurement, trigonometry, analytical geography, statistics, numbers, patterns, sequence and series. Right. Okay. So what you need to do is you click on any of these topics and see. So now when you click on it, it will take you to a platform whereby you can be able to pose questions or type in questions that you want to be answered by the platform or by the chat, or the questions that you need virtual assistance on. Okay. For example, as you could see here, do Quali offer a variety of functions to support learning and development, such as online? So it's just giving you a background of what do Quali entails, such as online courses. If you are interested in online courses, then you can contact the Quali Academy, and we are in position, to offer useful assistance to help you. Then workshops, and we do as well personalized coaching sessions, right? Then the chatbot is asking you, how can I assist you further with information on so what you need to do here now is you need to type in your questions. For example, if I have an equation of this nature, if I say 3x, right, minus 2 and bracket s plus, let me say 17, any question that you got, right? Then you close the bracket. You can say solve for x. Let's see. We are waiting for the chat GPT to respond. If your device is very fast, if your memory is very fast in your device, then you can be able to get it so quickly, right? So the chat GPT is answering that x is 6, and it's asking you further. Say, do you have any further queries? If you do, then you type it. Okay, let me type in this question and see. we could say, let's say the sizes of a typographical error is this. The sizes of a rectangle rectangular prism is 14 cm by 7 cm by 2 cm, for example. Then we could say calculate the total surface area of the prism. Calculate the total surface area of the prism. Right. I can say what is the surface area of the prism if you like. Right. The size matter. Alright. Okay, here we go. Then the chatbot is answering a well-articulated manner, It said to calculate the total surface area of a rectangular prism, you can use the formula, right? See the formula that has been given. Then you say where it says 2LW plus 2L height plus 2WH, where L is equals to length, W equals to width, and H equals to height. Then you plug in the values, right? 2 into 14 times 7 on bracket, okay, plus 2, right? So the beauty nature of this software is that, or let me put it, a chatbot, of course you can call it a software, is that it provides articulated explanation of the process, as you could see here, right? Okay, let's try one more question on it. Okay, we could say start by typing like this one, or typing words of this nature. The scale of a map is 1 cm. 1 cm equals 30 kilometers. Right. Now, on the map, the distance between Bedbridge is a border town in South Africa, a border town between Zimbabwe and South Africa. Between Bed and Musina is a town after Bedbridge, they are within the same vicinity, the border between South Africa and Zimbabwe in Africa. Bedbridge, on the map between Bedbridge, I hope it's correctly spelled. Bedbridge. Okay, here's the correct spelling. And Musina. Right. Then is Musina is 1.4 cm. Right. Then calculate the actual distance. Musina, what's wrong here? Okay, capital letter. What's wrong? Then calculate actual distance between bed bridge and the bed bridge and Musina. Okay, let's see whether we can be able to work this one out under the functions. Otherwise, you could go to another topics or another topic in mathematics to work it out. Let's see. Okay, good, correct. It says, look at what is coming out from the chat GPT. To calculate the actual distance between Bedbridge and Messina, you can use the scale provided. Since 1 cm on the map represents 30 kilometers in reality, you can multiply the map distance by the scale factor to find the actual distance. In this case, 1,4 cm on the map will be equivalent to 1,4 times 30, which is 42 kilometers in reality. Therefore, the actual distance between Bedbridge and Messina is 42 kilometers. Right. So, if at this point in time you want to exit, right, then, or you want to continue, you can start posing questions, prompting the chatbot to respond. Then, if you want to exit, then look at what the chatbot is saying. Type exit to quit. Then you can say exit. Right. You can say exit. Right. Then the chatbot says thank you for using the Quali virtual assistant. So yeah, this is a very simplified demonstration on how we could leverage the capability of AI, to enhance teaching and learning in our schools. So, yeah, thanks for your patience and thanks for availing yourself to listen to this insightful. Yeah, it's really indeed it's insightful. My insightful presentation. Yeah, I thank you.